Ever felt like your Facebook ads were getting lost in the noise? Well, buckle up, because today I'm going to teach you how to cut through the clutter and speak to the people that matter the most, your dream clients. Hey, I'm Shawn Bell. I am social media coach for the Wolfpack at eXp Realty, and I'm also the founder of the Realtors Blueprint, which helps realtors generate nonstop leads through Facebook ads. I spent tens of thousands of dollars on Facebook ads over the years, and I still have realtors today generating nonstop leads. And I love teaching these strategies and showing you how you can do the same. This isn't your average Facebook targeting tutorial. I'm not just scratching the surface, but I am diving deep into the art of targeting through Facebook ads. By the end of this video, you will be armed with not only strategies on how to attract leads, but also convert them into long life clients. If you're ready to elevate your Facebook ad game, dominate your niche, and turn scrolling into sold, see what I did there? Then hit that like button and let's jump into the ultimate guide on mastering targeting for realtors. Let's roll. No, that was cheesy. Let's cut that. All right, so first thing is the special ad category. I'm assuming a lot of you have come to this video and you're saying, Shawn, you're an idiot. What the heck? You have the special ad category. You can't target people anymore. This video is useless. Well, I guess you're right. That's it for today, everybody. Have a great day. No, just kidding. Hold on. Stick around. Yes, there is a special ad category now, and yes, since the special ad category came out, you cannot target specific audiences. So years ago, you used to be able to say, okay, I want to show my ad only to males, and I only want them to be 55 plus, and I want them to have this, this, and this. And there was many things that you could target on, and you still can today in Facebook ads, but you cannot if you are a realtor running any ads related to housing. So many years ago, Facebook had a lawsuit. Now they have this special ad category saying you cannot discriminate against others. Therefore, if you're running any ads related to housing, credit, social issues, employment, you have to select that special ad category and no longer can you define your targeting. And from there, a lot of realtors quit using Facebook ads because they said, hey, Facebook now sucks. It's screwing me over again and it's not going to work. But a little secret for you, nothing changed. The beauty of it, I found, is Facebook was still getting me just as good results, if not better, because there was actually less competition now with all those that threw their hands up in the air and gave up. So now what happens is, I found Facebook is so darn smart and it has so much data on us, which yes, I get can be scary, but I always like to use it for my advantage. So if Facebook has so much data on us, what's it going to do when we run ads? It's going to know who to show our ads to. Therefore, this is actually making the game so much easier because we don't have to guess and think, oh, well, if I'm going to run this ad, who might react to it? Like, what might they be interested in and what should I put in there? Well, you can no longer do that, but Facebook's doing all the heavy lifting for you. So now when you put your ad out there, Facebook is actually showing it to the people that it believes is going to respond to it. And if they don't, it moves on to the next group. And then when it finds that group that does respond to it, it's like, hey, maybe we should find more people like that group and show this person's ad to them so we can get them more leads. Crazy, right? Therefore, you no longer have to spend all that time trying to figure this out. Facebook is doing all the heavy lifting for you. Thank you, Facebook. Now, all you have to do if you're wanting to target a specific audience is make your ad specific to that type of person. And if you do, they are going to react to your ad, and therefore Facebook's going to see that and it's going to show your ad to more people like that. Let me explain. The way I generate a pile of leads is I run specific lists of homes, saying here's a specific list of homes in this neighborhood under this price range, click to download it. Now, if I was to run a list of homes in a certain neighborhood and I said it is within walking distance of a popular school, who do you think is going to react to that ad? More than likely, it's going to be a family. So now if I'm wanting to attract families, that ad speaks specifically to families. So I'm running that ad, a family clicks on it because they're like, ooh, that's nice, that's cool, I'd love to live there. Didn't realize you could get a home under that price and within walking distance of a school. Amazing. Clicking on it, putting in my information. Facebook now sees that and is like, interesting. A family person clicked on that. Maybe we should be showing their ad to more families because they seem to be the ones reacting to this type of ad. And as you can see again, as I said before, Facebook's doing all the heavy lifting for you and it's bringing in the type of people that you want it to bring in because that list was very specific to that type of person. Now, if I ran a list of homes in my entire city, what's going to happen? It's too broad. Not many people are going to click on it for one, but the ones that do click on it, they could be all different audiences. They could be older, younger, families, single, divorced, whatever. It's not speaking to a specific audience. So make your dang list specific. Sorry, can't even speak today. Make your dang list specific to an actual type of audience you want to attract. And this is how you do the real art of targeting through Facebook ads. Now, let your ad run for a little while, because the first time you put it up, obviously Facebook doesn't quite know what's going on. So it takes time showing it to different people before it starts to learn, is like, oh, this is who we should be showing this ad to. So don't put an ad up and be like, oh, this sucks, not getting me anything, gonna turn it off. You need to give it time. Usually I let my ad run for at least a week to have Facebook learn, and I've heard from a lot of experts that it can actually take longer before Facebook really dials in and starts to figure this out. So from there, you just sit back and you let Facebook bring in the leads for you. You don't have to worry about clicking the special ad category, and it's going to do all the heavy lifting for you. It is amazing when you have this all set up and you just have those leads coming in nonstop. So now, if you are wanting to get some ideas of different specific ads that you could run in order to generate these leads, then comment below with free guide, and I will send you my free guide of my 5 killer Facebook ads that generated me 268 leads in just 7 days. And as always, if this video was beneficial, make sure you hit the like, and even better yet, you could hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date and in tune with upcoming videos on how to generate nonstop leads with Facebook ads. Take care.